Let the battle begin!
We only want to live in peace. You killed my daughter! You killed her! I'm so scared! Help me! I want you! I want your entire species!
You should know when you're beaten. That's all she wrote, folks.